how to add Namecheap domain to Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's say you will be able to, or you were able to finish your Framer project. You were able to create a website that you're happy with and you want to now publish it. But when you publish in Framer, what you're going to be able to use at the start is just a subdomain. So how do you use your Namecheap domain and use it for your Framer design or website? So you can easily do it by simply clicking on settings over here, clicking on domains, and over here under custom domain, this is where you will be able to connect your own domain over here. So you can simply enter the Namecheap domain that you have purchased, and there will be an entire process which is going to be straightforward actually, but you're going to have to upgrade your plan. In Framer, you have to have an upgraded plan, or you have to subscribe to a specific plan to be able to utilize your custom domain. But after that, you will then be able to connect and utilize Framer with a Namecheap domain. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.